The UTKC 400 course allowed me to work alongside a major company to design a low-pressure system. This low-pressure system was designed using the design assistant provided by the Environment One Corporation. This design assistant uses the user-inputted data of elevation information and hydraulic pump information specific to each zone to compute the hydraulic information for the system. With this information, the low-pressure system can be designed for each span of roadway on the Choto Peninsula.
Gaining first-hand experience with a local utility company working on a real application was invaluable. Designing the gravity portion of the Choto Peninsula sewer system enhanced my knowledge of both design practice and hydraulic analysis. Open channel flow equations were used to determine the gravity pipe diameters based on flow velocity, allowing for customization to serve its specific purpose along Choto Road.
We evaluated 2 existing pump stations that would be impacted by future developments on the peninsula by comparing future flows to existing capacities. We also proposed that a new pump station be constructed on the southern portion of the peninsula to accommodate future flows from the new low-pressure sewer. This project has helped me gain design experience that I have used to secure a job after graduation, and the senior design course as a whole has helped me realize that water resource engineering is my calling.
Our team selected a location for the Channel Point pump station and designed both the Choto and Channel Point pump station site plans. This project will benefit the community by removing the reliance on septic systems which prevent development on the peninsula. Personally, senior design has helped me by improving my time management and increasing my confidence to work on a large-scale engineering project.
For the geotechnical and structural portion of the project, one of the more challenging aspects was designing the wet well walls. We took them as cantilevered retaining walls, and they had a rigid and flexible structure because of the geometry of the wet well. This was a very challenging aspect, but I learned a lot and was happy with the design that we came up with.